The edge of heartlessness. Cold choices under survival pressure. In today's society, some individuals become heartless not purely out of malice, but as a cold choice under survival pressure. This unconventional viewpoint challenges our traditional understanding of heartless behavior. For some, the harshness of life forces them to make heartless choices, shielding emotions to cope with the brutal realities they face. They may have once been idealistic individuals striving for their dreams, but the brutality of reality shattered their beliefs. It's not their intention, but rather a coping mechanism forced upon them. Survival pressure drives people to become heartless because, in a fiercely competitive environment, sometimes being ruthless becomes the only rule for survival. This heartlessness doesn't stem from indifference to others, but rather functions as a self-protective mechanism to shield oneself from societal harm. From this unique perspective, perhaps we can better understand those forced into heartlessness by life's circumstances. Maybe we need to examine societal pressures to create a more humane environment, where people can find warmth in life, without losing their emotions under the pressure of survival.